Good evening from a beautiful, beautiful evening here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. I like to say heaven on earth because it truly is. Today's adventure brings us to focus, if I don't get tongue twisted, focus on the corner here in Pine Mountain. Let's go in and take a look through the beautiful red door. This is Focus on the Corner in Pine Mountain, Georgia. And look at all of the unique things here. Okay, what services do y'all offer with Focus?
Well, Focus has a lot of opportunities for people here in Harris County.
Mm-hmm.
For one, they have a food pantry.
Mm-hmm.
They help people with their rent or electric bills if they have needs. They tutor children. They mentor kids. And they also do construction projects for elder people who need help with their house.
Oh, that's awesome.
So they have the two stores, one in Hamilton and this one here, that help raise the funds to be able to provide those services to the people in the community.
Awesome. Awesome. And all proceeds go back to the community. That's
right.
awesome. I
And
like
we're all
that.
volunteers and everything's been donated.
That's awesome. Well, I'm going to look around and see what all y'all have.
Thank you.
Reliable.
Uh-huh. That's beautiful too. I like that poinsettia. Is this like a tree decor or just like a wall
I
decor?
think you would have it, you could put it on the front door.
Oh, okay. Well, that's pretty. I like that.
Now, we'll be getting a lot more Christmas stuff on Tuesday.
Tuesdays. Okay. Beautiful.
It's not here now.
That's an idea, though. That's pretty. This is a unique place to come and shop, a unique thrift store right here on the corner in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Those are unique.
Lots of frozen chilies. And I made a lot of pickled okra.
They also have Christmas decorations and giant pine cones here at Focus on the corner. They have all kinds of picture frames. They even have a dollar room where you can come and get something for only $1. You see, they've got all kinds of stuff. Furniture, they have furniture. They have books. Lots of books.
Oh, okay, not far out. Okie dokie, have a good one.
Yeah. I got my neighbor's record. So did you Oregon? Didn't you have an Oregon? Oh, okay.
But it doesn't. Unfortunately.
That's awesome.
It's one of our favorite
Movies.
traditions.
Yeah.
My gosh. Okay.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
New World Symphony.
Eat some dinner, then come back for the
Tree lighting.
Follow your heart.
tree lighting.
And awesome, 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 awesome. And that was Focus on the Corner here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Right downtown on the square in Pine Mountain. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.